Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video. I'm Rebecca, and in today's video I want to share with you information about dropshipping and how to make dropshipping with jewelry on Shineon.com. I have another videos on my YouTube channel where you can see how to make dropshipping on Pinterest with print-on-demand products, how to sell different kind of products with print-on-demand, how to create the designs for putting the designs on your products, how to sell with Printify, how to make dropshipping with Printify. In today's video, I will share with you information about Shineon.com and how to make dropshipping with jewelry on Shineon.com. Many people ask me if there is a way to make dropshipping with jewelry, so my answer for all of this question is yes, you can make dropshipping with jewelry on Shineon.com. We will see how to make this thing in today's video. So let's go. In today's video, we'll talk about number one, what dropshipping is, what is the Shineon platform, how to make dropshipping on Shineon.com. So we will start with the number one question, what dropshipping is. Dropshipping is an e-commerce retail model that allows stores to sell products without keeping any physical inventory. In dropshipping, the retailer sells the product to the customer, then passes on the sale order to the third-party supplier, who then ships the order directly to the customer on behalf of the retailer. Dropshipping sellers don't need to invest in any product inventory, warehouse, or storage space, and do not handle the fulfillment process. There are many platforms where we can make dropshipping: Printify, Printful, and Shineon.com. Let's see together in the next minutes what Shineon platform is and how to use this platform. So number two, what Shineon.com platform is. Shineon.com is a website where you are able to sell products from another sellers. Once you make sales to your products, you will receive a commission based on the price. On Shineon.com, you are able to sell personalized products like jewelry, especially necklaces. Because I have an order from this platform, I can show you 3 examples of personalized necklaces from Shineon.com platform. So here is my order with the 3 products from Shineon. I will show you how this product looks like. This one looks amazing. So you can see. I will show you how this product looks like up close in the next minute. So these are 3 examples of products that you can personalize on Shineon.com, that you can create and sell on Shineon.com. I've ordered these products to make sure that there is a professional platform, that Shineon.com is a professional platform. So this is a professional platform that you can use to make dropshipping with jewelry. So the next information that you will need to know about is how to sell this kind of products from another sellers, and how to make money from selling this kind of products, from making dropshipping on Shineon.com. We will follow all the necessary steps. Number one, you will need to create a free seller account. Here is the link. You will need to follow this link if you want to create your account. Number two, this is a simple thing to do. You can simply go to the websites and join as a new user. After you create your account, you will need to connect your own store. Shineon company works with Etsy and Shopify, so you will need to have one of these 2 shops in order to be able to make dropshipping on Shineon.com. You will need to have a website on Etsy or on Shopify to connect your website based on what kind of platform you use to connect your website on the Shineon.com platform. Number 3, start to create personalized jewelry. I will take an example and I will show you how to create a specific design for a specific jewelry, for specific necklaces. For creating your product, for creating your design, for creating a personalized products in Shineon platform, you will need to create a Canva account, and then there you will need to create your own designs. We will see how to create your own designs in Canva, a design for a specific product from Shineon. Once you'll finish to create your own design, you will need to insert your design to the specific section from the product on Shineon.com platform, and you will see examples of how the product will look like with your design, what the clients will receive after they will order your products. After you will do this thing, you will need to publish your product, and people will be able to buy from you this kind of product. Shineon Company is a professional company that can help you to launch as a dropshipper. Besides of these benefits, Shineon Company offers the opportunity to sell high quality, high margin products on platforms like Etsy, Facebook, TikTok, Shopify, Amazon, and more. The benefits that Shineon platform has is the next one. You can join to Shineon Profits on Demand Facebook group. If you want to become a part of Shineon Company, you can join this group. Number 2, create a free seller account using a specific link. I will let you the link in the description of this video. Number 3, free creatives database for our sellers. By using this specific link, I will let you the link in the description. Free resources for our sellers around products creation, best niches, testing and scaling on Facebook, TikTok, etc. If you want to become a dropshipper and to make dropshipping by selling print-on-demand products, jewelry, Shineon platform is the best platform where you can do this thing. Trust me. Thank you so much for being here. If you want to make dropshipping with jewelry on Shineon.com, here is how to do this thing. If you want to make this thing, make sure that you'll follow all these necessary steps. Thank you so much for being here. Don't forget to subscribe, to follow me on my Instagram page, Rika.passion into income, and I hope that I will see you, of course, in my next video. Bye! These benefits, Shineon Company offers the opportunity